Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Areeze icon theme. Now, this is an icon theme that looks pretty good on KDE Plasma, and it's designed to be kind of a recolor of the stock icons, but it also does look pretty good on GTK desktop environments like XFCE, GNOME, and all of that. So you don't have to use KDE to use the icon theme. If you want to use it for anything, you can use it for anything. So to start off, you're going to want to go to the link in the description of this video, go to the article that I wrote and go to the GNOME look page and download your copy of Areeze. Once you do that, you can open up a terminal, go into the downloads folder with CD downloads, and we need to extract the folder. So we can do that with tar xvf areeze.tar.gz. That's going to extract to the Areeze folder. And to install it, we can put it in the .icons folder, or we can put it in the user share icons folder. It doesn't really matter where it goes. If you're only one person, I would put it in the icon folder in your home folder. But if you're using it for everybody on the system, I would put it in the user share icons folder. So in this video, we'll do it in the system folder. So let's do a sudo mv Areeze and then user share icons. Now when we go to user share icons, we can see that Areeze is with all the other icons, and we can open up appearance and switch our icons straight up to the Areeze icons. And if I open up my file manager here, we can see we're now using the Areeze icons, and if we go to user share applications, we can see that it's using the KDE Breeze style application icons, which for the most part cover a lot of the default stuff and stock applications. Some of them, they're going to be using their own icons. But if you like the KDE look, you might want to go with this one. It definitely makes it accessible to set this up on non-KDE desktops, or even if you're using KDE Plasma and you just want your folders to look a little different. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.